It's Wednesday morning, November 18th. I have a welding lesson this morning with Steve. Steve is a woodworker, furniture maker, and he has a specific project that he needs to make a metal piece for. And I'm going to teach him how to weld, and then he is going to actually make that piece that he needs here today. So stick around. We'll meet Steve in a minute. Okay, Steve's here. We're going to get ready to start your welding lesson, right?
Yep. Today I'm going to be making some floating shelf brackets. Pretty straightforward. Just taking some bars here, going to cut them about here and then stick it in. And these will go into some redwood shelves and hopefully make it look like it's floating, so that'll be cool.
So those are great tacks right there. Now we can take this off. Okay, so what do we got going on now here?
Okay, so I wanted to learn two basic things today, being able to miter two square tubes together so I can make boxes and legs for my furniture, and then also making floating brackets for floating shelves. So basically we cut these flat bar and the cylinder to length. We drilled a hole in here and then we welded it from the back. That way there's no messy welds here in the front where you're going to see it, but this will be against the wall. So that's just one bracket, easy to make. This I got to practice some of my MIG welding. This isn't a bad weld for the first day, I guess. And went around here, made a nice 90 degrees, and easy way to make some table legs. So pretty cool.
All right. Now we're gonna grind this off and make it smooth.
So here's our finished product. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty damn good. And once you paint it, you won't know the difference. Basically, you just smooth out all the edges. Yep. And with the grinder, and it's nice and clean and looks great. So I'm happy. I am so excited. I feel so empowered. I was able to make my own floating shelf brackets. I know now how to make miter joints for square tubing. I can make a million different things now with just these simple skills that I learned in a few hours today. So check out Don, take some classes.